We are going to resume the head. Yeah, but even before detailing the head, I would like to make the body, and for making the body of the boar, I'm going to go to the object mode, 3 side view. I'm going to place the sphere behind, Shift A, no, before that, Shift S, cursor to world origin, then Shift A, mesh, UV sphere, and I'm going to rotate it this way. Okay, and I'm going to GY, move it in the Y direction, and with S I'm going to scale it up. So I'm going to scale it this much, scale Y. Okay, and press Ctrl A to apply the location transformation, rotation, and the scale transform, or simply say all transforms. Okay, and now we are going to move it near the head, G, Z, move downwards. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to the sculpt mode again, and make sure that the symmetry is put to mirror X, like in the case of the head. Now we're going to move about to shape the body. Press 3 and press K, snake hook selected, F, make the size bigger. Okay, we're shaping the body of the boar. Guess it has to be longer. Not so fat. Okay, and Control S, keep saving. Now we have to do some remeshing, okay, of the body. So we press R, then Control R, remeshed. Okay, so we remeshed the body, and we have to shape it now. Create the backbone that appears on the top. You can see a backbone on the top, right? Longer maybe, a little fatter. Boar. Okay, yeah, Control S, keep saving the progress, always keep saving your progress. Yeah, we are actually going to rough out the body and even try to rough out the legs before we get into the details of the boar. Yeah, Control S, Yeah, now we go back. Now we do something where the legs are going to be. Let's go to draw, press V, F, reduce the size. Let's draw on the place where the legs are going to be, because leaving here the legs are going to be. Okay, here the legs are going to be, and the back legs are going to be here somewhere. Okay, here somewhere. Control S. Keep saving your progress always. Yeah, we are getting the shape of the board gradually. And now let us get spheres to extrude the legs. 3 for the side view, and go back to your object mode. Shift A, mesh, UV sphere. Okay, G, Z, S, Z, long. Scale it down with S. Grab it. G, X. Once we make one side, we can mirror the other side. Okay. Also, let us duplicate. Shift D, duplicate, and make one for the back. Scale it up. Okay. We are going to mirror it on the other side once we shape the legs. Okay. Apply all transforms. Control A, apply all transforms. Now you go back to your sculpt mode and K, snake hook brush, increase the size. Start to create the leg. Start to create the leg. Okay. Now at this point we are going to use the remesh. R, Control R, he remeshed it. Okay. Okay, so we are going to do it this way. F, reduce the size of the brush. I'm going to make the trotters, right? We better do it at a higher resolution. Okay. Next we are going to higher the resolution of the mesh. Okay, yeah, Control S, and R, we are going to lower the size of the squares for higher resolution. 1.5, Control R, yeah, we got a higher resolution. Control S. Now we go back to our object mode and we can mirror. Okay, here you go here and add a modifier. It's called edit. Now generate, yeah, mirror modifier. Okay, so we got the legs on both the sides. Okay, and now we need to worry about the back legs first. Form the back legs. Okay, yeah, transforms already done. We go to the sculpt mode directly. Yeah, and start shaping the leg. Control 1, okay, from the back, you get a shape from the back. Okay, and now let us do some remeshing or yeah, Control R, remesh. Yeah, we got a high resolution mesh. Now we can form the rest of the leg. Okay, let's keep it here so that we know both the legs are aligned or not. Okay, yeah, and here we could inflate. Now we need to get a higher resolution mesh. Press R, go further down, Control R, yeah. Now we could easily inflate it. Okay, okay, snake hook again, and reduce the size with F. Bring this thing back for the trotters to create the trotters properly. Okay, we need to shape the trotters. Okay, we need to shape it further. Control S. Keep saving your progress. Yeah, and let's go to our object mode, and just like the front feet, the hind feet also we mirror. Add modifier, generate, mirror. Okay, right now we are not going to attach all the front legs and the back legs to the body and the head to the body. Once we are done with all the details of sculpting, then maybe we can think of attaching, not now. Okay, Control S. I think we have done this tutorial for quite a long time. Let us pause here and come back in the next video. Yeah, maybe to shape up further, shape up the body further, get more details, and also create the tail and the eyes and the tusk, the teeth and all those things. Lots of work to be done. Okay, we return in the next tutorial.